Okay, I'm going to show you what my pedals sound like, again, playing through the Goodsell Super 17 with the G&L Legacy. Here's my clean signal. That's the bridge and middle pickup. Here is the compressor. Great compressor. In loop 1 is the wah pedal. Here's what it sounds like. Again, just a original crybaby, nothing special. Here is the green pedal. Here is it, both pedals together. Clean signal. Here's the RC by itself. The ZVEX by itself. And together again. Here's the full tone, full drive, clean signal. Here's with the boost. Here is the GT500 boost side. Here is the distortion side by itself. And here are the two together. Here is, of course, loop 5. Mutes my signal. I'm going to take you through the eventide and just show you a few things there. This is just I'm turning on the RC boost as well. This is just a dotted eighth note. Play a little bit of that. This is a tape echo. This is a digital delay. This is a digital delay with a mod. This is another dotted eighth note, a little more strings have no name. Now I'll take you over to the M9. Here's my spring reverb. Here is the hall reverb. Here is the tremolo. Here's my low-res delay. Turn the tone up a little bit on that. Low-res delay. Very nice delay. Analog with mod delay. And I'm going to show you a few of my settings that I like. Oh, let me show you this on here. This is what I use when I'm doing some swells or things like that. It's a plate reverb and an octo reverb, as well as a dotted eighth note. That's one of my settings that I like to do. And let me show you this with a hall reverb. This is the Streets Have No Name again, but with the hall reverb. Here is kind of a solo type thing. Here's that same setting with the full drive on. Let's see. Here's the tape echo. Very big sound. Here's the full drive, and the boost together. Oh, let's see. Go up to 3 here. Song called All Because of Jesus. Let's see if I can do that. Anyway, that's pretty much my pedal board and some things that can